Gentlemen, what if I told you that you could own your own home, debt-free, for less than what most guys spend on a new pickup truck? I'm talking about brand new, fully equipped homes starting at just $5,000. No, this isn't some clickbait nonsense. These are real prefab tiny houses that you can order online today and have delivered to your property within weeks. Look, I get it. The housing market has gone absolutely insane. The average home price is pushing $400,000, and that's if you can even find something decent. Meanwhile, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs are eating guys alive. But here's what the big housing industry doesn't want you to know. There's a whole world of affordable prefab tiny houses that can give you everything you need without the crushing debt. In today's video, I'm going to show you 15 incredible prefab tiny houses under $40,000. We're talking about real homes with kitchens, bathrooms, sleeping areas, and everything you need to live comfortably. I'll give you the exact specifications, pricing, and where to buy each one. And stick around because number 7 on this list is so affordable, it costs less than a decent used car, but it's got features that'll blow your mind. Plus, I'll reveal the one mistake that 90% of guys make when buying their first tiny house that can cost them thousands. House number 15, Best Barnes Newcastle Woodshed Kit, $4,442. Let's kick things off with something that proves you don't need to break the bank. Now, technically, this is marketed as a shed, but hear me out. This 12 by 16-foot beauty from Best Barnes is the perfect starter tiny house for any guy who's handy with tools. At 192 square feet, you've got enough space for a sleeping area, small kitchen setup, and even a compact bathroom if you're creative with the layout. The kit comes with everything you need: pre-cut lumber, hardware, and step-by-step instructions that any weekend warrior can follow. Here's the thing. For $4,442, you're getting the shell that you can customize however you want. Add some insulation, run electrical, install a mini split for climate control, and you've got yourself a legitimate tiny house for under $10,000 total. You can find this kit at Wayfair.com, and they'll ship it right to your door. Perfect for the guy who wants to get into tiny house living without the massive upfront investment. House number 14. Little Cottage Company Cape Cod Playhouse Kit, $7,756. Now don't let the word playhouse fool you. This 10 by 12-foot Cape Cod beauty is built by the Amish with premium materials that'll last decades. We're talking 2x3 wood framing, LP smart side siding, and 51-inch sidewalls that give you plenty of headroom. What makes this special is the authentic Cape Cod styling. You get that classic New England charm that looks like a real house, not some industrial box. The kit includes child and adult doors, windows, flower boxes, and even a chimney detail. For a guy looking to create a man cave, workshop, or guest house, this is perfect. The 120 square feet gives you room for a comfortable seating area, mini fridge, and workspace. You can order this directly from Amazon, and different sizes are available if you need more space. House number 13, Allwood Garden House Claudia Cabin Kit, $11,990. Here's where we start getting into serious tiny house territory. This Allwood cabin gives you 290 square feet of pure Scandinavian craftsmanship. One Amazon customer bought this specifically to use as a backyard office, and let me tell you, that's a smart move. Think about it. Instead of paying rent for office space or dealing with the distractions at home, you've got your own dedicated workspace for under $12,000. The cabin features solid wood construction, double-pane windows, and a design that'll make your neighbors jealous. But here's the beauty. This isn't just an office. With some basic plumbing and electrical work, this becomes a fully functional tiny house. The open floor plan gives you flexibility to design it however you want. Available on Amazon with free shipping to most locations. House number 12, Nordic Log Cabin Kit, $51,399. Okay, I know this one pushes our budget a bit, but stick with me because the value here is incredible. This 692 square foot Nordic cabin gives you that authentic log cabin experience that every American man dreams about. The kit comes with French-style double doors, modern design elements, and everything pre-cut for easy assembly. If you're the type of guy who loves a good DIY project, This is your chance to build something substantial that'll be the envy of every man in your neighborhood. At $51,399, you're getting almost 700 square feet of solid construction. That breaks down to about $74 per square foot. Try finding that anywhere in today's market. Perfect for a workshop, pool house, or even a full-time residence with the right permits. Available at Home Depot with nationwide shipping. House number 11, 20-foot modern modular house, $33,500. Now we're talking serious business. This 20-foot modular house gives you 156 square feet of modern living with everything you need. One bedroom, living room, fully equipped kitchen, and a separate wet and dry bathroom. Here's what sets this apart. It comes fully equipped and ready to live in. We're talking steel frame construction with square steel tubes, excellent insulation, and soundproofing. This isn't some flimsy structure. It's built to last. The beauty of this design is that it works anywhere. Urban lots, remote properties, you name it. Perfect for temporary housing while you build your main house, or as a permanent solution for the guy who values simplicity over square footage. You can order this on Amazon, and they handle delivery nationwide. At $33,500, you're getting a complete home for less than most guys spend on a boat. House number 10, 40-foot modern prefab modular house kit, $44,000. If you need more space but want to stay reasonable on budget, this 40-foot model is where it's at. You're getting a spacious living area with customizable bedroom and bathroom configurations to fit your exact needs. This isn't just bigger, it's better. Modern kitchenette, multiple bathrooms, and a versatile living area that transforms into whatever you need: lounge, office, dining space. The energy-efficient features like double-pane windows and insulated walls mean your utility bills stay low even when living off-grid. For the guy who values self-sufficiency, this is perfect. Fully self-contained, ready to go wherever life takes you. Different layouts and floor plans available to match your lifestyle. Available on Amazon at $44,000. That's complete freedom for less than a down payment on a traditional house. House number 9, 20-foot portable foldable prefab container house, $9,000. Here's something that'll blow your mind. A house that literally unfolds like a piece of origami. This 20-foot foldable container house from generic brand is a game changer at just $9,000. Listen to this. You get a fully enclosed, insulated, and finished interior that's ready to live in. The galvanized steel frame ensures this thing is built like a tank, while the pre-installed electrical system, windows, flooring, and locking doors mean you're ready to go right out of the box. This isn't some bare-bones shell. We're talking about a thoughtfully designed layout with natural lighting, ventilation, thermal insulation, and the option to add bathroom and kitchen modules. It's like having a real home that you can set up anywhere. Perfect for contractors who need mobile job site offices, homeowners wanting extra space, or guys who just want the ultimate man cave that can relocate whenever you want. From backyard offices to hunting cabins, this thing adapts to whatever you need. At $9,000 on Amazon, this is hands down the best value on our entire list. You're getting a complete move-in ready space for less than what most guys spend on a decent motorcycle. The compact folded size saves on shipping costs, but when unfolded, you get full-size living space instantly. House number 8, Barn Homes double-story flat pack house, $44,990. Now we're getting into some serious square footage. This double-story flat pack house offers versatile utility, perfect for homes, offices, or even rental properties. The 20-foot model includes living room, bathroom, kitchen, and 2 bedrooms. The 40-foot version gives you 3 bedrooms. Resilient steel construction with lockable doors and windows for security. Think about this. At $44,990, you could set this up as a rental property and have it paid off in a couple of years. Or use it as your primary residence while you save money for land or other investments. Essential amenities included: fully equipped bathroom, kitchen cabinets, everything you need for comfortable living. Available on Amazon with customized solutions for different needs. House number 7, portable capsule mobile house, $39,999. Gentlemen, this is the one I teased earlier, and it's going to blow your mind. This 2023 model portable capsule house is perfect for guys who love to travel and explore but don't want to sacrifice comfort. Lightweight, easy to transport, but built tough with high-quality steel framing and fiberglass exterior, excellent stability and wind resistance. Inside, you get a spacious layout with one bedroom, bathroom, kitchenette, and living room. Interior space of 19 by 10 feet, comfortably sleeping 2 adults and 1 child. This isn't just a house, it's freedom. Use it as a station house, portable camping cabin, or permanent home. At $43,750 on Amazon, this represents the perfect blend of mobility and comfort. For guys who refuse to be tied down to one location, this is your answer. House number 6. Generic 20-foot expandable house, $9,268. Okay, this one has the lowest cost, and the expandable feature makes it worth considering. 2 bedrooms, spacious wardrobe, and a cozy outdoor terrace for relaxation. The washroom features water heater, wash basins with cabinets, separate toilet and shower with glass partition. Kitchen equipped with cabinets, sink, and overhead wall-mounted storage. Mobile and foldable for easy transport and installation. At $9,000, you're getting luxury tiny house living with features that rival traditional homes costing 3 times as much. House number 5. 2-story tiny house flat pack, $29,999. Now here's something that maximizes your square footage without expanding your footprint, a genuine 2-story tiny house for under $30,000. This isn't just clever design, it's smart living. What sets this apart is the full process service guarantee. These guys have sample rooms you can visit, professional explanations, and up to 10 years of warranty service. Plus, they provide free layout design and on-site installation support with a professional engineering team. The double-layer structure uses a self-supporting T-frame that ensures rock-solid stability and environmental durability. We're talking about 2 independent lockable rooms, each measuring 19.5 feet by 9.8 feet by 9.1 feet per floor. That's serious living space, gentlemen. Here's the kicker: 72 to 120 hours for complete construction. The prefabricated modular panels come with numbered connectors, so 3 to 5 workers can assemble this on-site using basic tools. It even comes with forklift slots and removable wheels for easy positioning. 60 decibel floor sound insulation ensures peace and quiet between floors. Corrosion-resistant exterior materials withstand harsh weather, while ventilation grills and protective mosquito nets with anti-corrosion coating ensure durability and proper air circulation. Pre-installed with 5 energy-saving LED lights and 2 motion sensor radar lights for intelligent lighting. 12 multifunction power sockets, 110 volts, handle all your electrical needs. Plus, built-in storage space maximizes organization. At $29,999 on Amazon, you're getting 2 complete floors of living space with professional installation support. Perfect for the guy who needs a home office downstairs and private living space upstairs, or wants separate guest accommodations. House number 4. Prefab triangular log cabin, $49,900. Now here's something that'll make your neighbors do a double take. A luxury A-frame triangle house that looks like it belongs in an architectural magazine. At $49,900, this isn't just a house, it's a statement. Here's what sets this apart from everything else on our list. It comes fully furnished and decorated. We're talking exquisite furniture, sophisticated decor, the works. You literally just need to show up with your suitcase, and you're living in luxury. The beauty of this A-frame design is its versatility. Use it as a vacation getaway, hunting cabin, or even a permanent residence. The sleek, contemporary aesthetic integrates perfectly with any natural setting, whether you're in the mountains, by a lake, or tucked away in the woods. Step inside and you're greeted by spacious living areas, cozy bedrooms, and every corner thoughtfully designed for comfort and elegance. This isn't roughing it, this is luxury camping at its finest. For the guy who loves the outdoors but doesn't want to sacrifice comfort, this is perfect. You get that authentic outdoor camping experience while indulging in the luxuries of a well-appointed villa. House number 3. WalkMax Portable Capsule HomePod, $35,000. Here's something that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, the WalkMax Luxury Modern Ready Cabin. This 5.8-meter mobile capsule isn't just a tiny house. It's a complete living system with bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom all packed into one incredible unit. Listen to this. This thing is built to withstand typhoons and earthquakes. We're talking reinforced interlocking joints and multi-layer composite wall design that maintains structural integrity even in the harshest environments. The aerodynamic design reduces storm damage risk, and it's been tested in 200 hours of wind tunnel simulation with 55 meters per second continuous gusts. Here's what'll blow your mind. Advanced thermal and acoustic protection with multi-layer insulation keeps you comfortable year-round, from desert heat waves to mountain winters. The smart single-tier layout allows flexible adjustment of sleeping and shower areas, maximizing every square foot of space. High-strength floors support heavy equipment storage, while clever window arrangements enhance natural lighting without compromising privacy. Wall panels can even be repositioned after installation for custom layouts. And it provides a 5-year structural warranty with ongoing parts support. House number 2, generic flat-pack prefab tiny home, $26,640. At 800 square feet, this prefab home features 3 bathrooms, a kitchen, and a versatile living sleeping area. High-quality insulation and weather-resistant materials ensure year-round comfort. Stylish interior finishes pair with high-performance moisture and fire-resistant flooring. An electric sunroof provides natural light and ventilation, the perfect blend of efficiency and elegance. At $26,640 on Amazon, this represents excellent value for a complete, move-in-ready home. House number 1, portable capsule HomePod, $37,500. And here's the last on our list, the portable capsule HomePod. Available in 20 and 40-foot sizes, this versatile living solution works as a residence, Airbnb rental, beach cottage, or even a small shop. Inside, you'll find a bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom facilities, plus integrated plumbing and electrical systems. It comes equipped with indoor and outdoor multicolor heating lamps, electric curtains, and electric skylight, whole house intelligent control system, fire smoke alarm, branded socket panel, blackout curtains, air conditioner, and smart lock. Despite its compact footprint, it offers ample space with a stylish design and durable construction. Enhanced safety features and robust materials ensure it can handle harsh environmental conditions. At just $37,500 on Amazon, this gives you complete housing freedom for less than most guys spend on a luxury truck. This is your chance to own your home outright and never worry about a mortgage payment again. Now, before you rush out and buy one of these, let me share the one mistake that costs guys thousands of dollars and months of frustration. Most guys get so excited about the low price that they forget about site preparation, permits, and utilities. You can't just drop one of these anywhere and start living. Here's what you need to know. First, check local zoning laws and building codes. Some areas require these to be classified as ADUs, accessory dwelling units. Second, factor in site prep costs, foundation, electrical hookup, water, and sewer connections. Third, consider delivery costs. Some of these companies charge extra for remote locations. My advice? Budget an extra $10,000 to $15,000 for site prep and utilities. That still keeps you well under traditional housing costs, but you won't get hit with surprise expenses. Gentlemen, there you have it. 15 incredible prefab tiny houses under $50,000 that prove you don't need to go into massive debt to own your own home. From the $4,000 shed conversion to the $44,000 luxury capsule house, there's something here for every budget and lifestyle. The housing market isn't getting any cheaper, but these alternatives give you a way out of the rat race. Imagine owning your home outright, having minimal monthly expenses, and the freedom to live wherever you want. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you're serious about tiny house living, subscribe and ring that notification bell because I've got more videos coming that'll show you exactly how to set these up, get permits, and live a debt-free lifestyle. But here's the thing. Everything I just showed you won't matter if you don't have the right piece of land to put it on. So click on this video right here where I break down how to find and buy cheap land for your tiny house, including the legal loopholes that most people don't know about. Trust me, that video could save you more money than this. Till the next video.